Hi, good morning. This is Kin Bueno from the Dice Pranya. The topic I'm presenting to is about being a partaker of the divine nature. So heavily these evidences, according to dimensive attention, precisely is a radical meaning of God. Any biblical theological derivation of what God means is precisely preserves His divinity. Anything that means God is precisely by God's divine nature. So how do we explain human nature, divine nature, or the contrary knowledgeable precision by theology, quote unquote, that it is human will and divine will? Precisely anything that means God is simply preserving his divinity. Any theology according to that intelligence produces the fruits of the divine. Or produces the fruits regarding what Jesus teaches us about. Thanks a bunch.